Hey everybody, Ken Birdsall here at Sunnyside Chevrolet, giving you a quick look at this 2018 Silverado 2500. It's your 3/4 ton HD. It's a double cab work truck with a long bed to the back of it. It's a really nice truck. If you want more details, check out that link in the top right hand corner. Just going to do a quick walk around here for you, let you check out what is up with this truck. It's nice Summit white. It's your work truck. Double cab, so a little bit shorter if you don't necessarily need, you want a little bit of cab space. This is replacing the extended cab, but you don't need the full crew cab, then this is the one for you. If you need that crew cab, just adds about 6 inches to the cab space, a little bit more legroom for that rear row. This is a long bed, so you can get a shorter bed too if you want. Work trucks now come standard with backup camera. And this one has an upgraded spray-in bed liner. This is your base, this is your entry-level work truck. So check out the window sticker here if you want to pause it. This is just the MSRP, so check out for monthly differences in rebates and whatnot. This has a snow plow prep package, a couple other little upgrades that you'll see here. This back seat does fold up, so if you need a little bit more room on the floor for storing stuff, you can fold that up if nobody's going to be riding with you. Power locks, windows, mirrors, vinyl flooring, manual adjusting seat. Your four-wheel drive shifter is down on the floor. You can still do that on the fly, it's just you got to reach down there instead of being able to reach up here for another knob that looks like this. Integrated trailer brake controller. Cruise control is standard as well. 7-inch MyLink radio is now considered standard as well. And if you need to move to a 6-passenger, you sure as heck can. Check out the controls up above. But this has got the 6-liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. So it gives you 360 horsepower, 380 pound-foot of torque. And total on this one I think is about 9,500 pounds for your gross vehicle weight rating, and about 14,000 pounds on max trailering. So check it out, talk to your local dealer, or if you live in Northeast Ohio, come check me out at Sunnyside Chevrolet. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you guys have a good day.